best permanent hair extensions. Bglam Hair Studio. Bglam Hair Studio offers top quality, natural-looking hair extensions. They provide a blend of beauty and volume to enhance your look. Bglam Hair Studio caters to both men and women. The expert stylists ensure a perfect match with your natural hair for a seamless blend. Men can get thicker hair or a new look altogether with our extensions. Women can add length, volume or even a new color without any commitment. Bglam Hair Studio sources from reputable suppliers, ensuring durability and longevity. The team provides expert advice on how to maintain your extensions. At Bglam, we have a team of expert stylists, premium quality hair extensions, a wide range of options, personalized service, and affordable pricing for our hair extensions. Hair extensions offer instant length and volume, versatility in styling, a confidence boost, and a natural look and feel. They also are long-lasting, customizable, time-saving, non-damaging, and suitable for both men and women. Explore different types of hair extensions at Bglam, from clip-in, fusion, tape-in, nano ring, hair volumizer to beaded. Our professional stylists can help you pick the best one for your desired look, budget, and lifestyle.